Riker specializes in custom tube bending, laser cutting, and high-quality metal components for the world's top companies. In 1932, a young Walter Riker decided to control his fate during the Great Depression by striking out on his own, providing essential welding services. Riker Welding Works was the start of today's Riker. Riker thrived by welding anything that needed repair, including noisy truck mufflers breaking the new strict noise laws, both at the shop and off-site, with an old Model A truck customized as a mobile welder. Riker became part of the war effort, switching to job shop welding and steel fabrication for more companies, including helping to make industrial heat treating furnaces, where bomb and heavy ammunition shell components were produced. After the war, Riker became the go-to source for muffler repair and started developing innovative new products, selling direct and getting OEM contracts. By 1950, Riker Welding Works has become the Riker Manufacturing Company, focusing on high-quality replacement mufflers and expanding rapidly. Within a few years, Riker acquired 20 acres and built a custom-designed facility. That same site has evolved into a production complex that's expanded 20 times to meet the needs of today's advanced markets. As a part of the Cypress Companies, Riker is approaching 100 years in business, custom tube bending, laser cutting, and fabrication. Team Riker aligns technology with experienced craftsmanship to deliver a broad range of high-quality metal components for managing exhaust, air, and fuel transfer, structural and other applications to diverse industrial and consumer markets, all while keeping quality and customer care first.